Afternoon, inverse function machines. These are basically function machines, but working them backwards. Let's just have a look to see how we put one into practice here. We've actually been given the output to these function machines, but we've actually got to work out what is going into them in the first place. Now to do that, you look at what the content of the function machine is, and you work the sum backwards. So what I'm doing here is I've done my times by 3 first of all, followed by a plus 2. Now to get back to where you started, what you've got to do first is you've got to take away 2 first of all, followed by a divide by 3. Okay, so notice that I'm actually doing the last thing in my function machine going that way, first of all, to get back to where I started. That order is very important. So, let's try it with the 17. So 17, take away 2 gives me 15. Let's make a little note of that 15 there. And we're going to divide the 15 by 3. So how many times does 3 go to 15? The answer is 5. To check it, what we've got to do, we can just do the function machine itself again, see if we get back to where we started. 5 3's gives me 15, add the 2 gives me 17. Try the same with 35. 35 take 2 gives me 33, make a little note of it there. 33 divided by 3 gives me 11. 11 3's, 33, take away the 2, gives me 30, add the 2, sorry, gives me 35 back to where we started. So we know that these 2 answers are correct. Let's just do a final one here. Starting off at -1, but we've got our function machine says times 2 take away 7. So first thing we've got to do is we've got to add the 7 going that way, and then because we've got a times sign there, we've got to do the inverse or the opposite, which means we've got to divide by 2. So starting at -1 now, we add 7 to -1, and that gives us 6. And then we've got to divide our 6 by 2 to give us 3 at the end. Let's check it. So 3 times 2 gives us 6. Take away the 7 gives us -1. So that's correct as well. There we have it. This is how you perform inverse function machines.